took her out here in the stairs only last night, and I put it back maybe 15 minutes. She walk after cooking, she walk outside, and I take her out here in the stairs. She play, and then she go back with me. And now when I go upstairs in the morning, she saw me and she cry because she knows that I take her out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mjanes World. At ngayon po ay puntahan natin ang cat. I don't know what her name. This is the cat of our neighbor here. And she's hiding because sometimes only she can go out in her cage. And she's a very cutie cat. And we have our pet also there. It's a dog right now. She's crying because she wanted to go out, but I took her out already. And she wanted to go out. She wanted to go out again because she heard my voice. I know. Hello. Hi, cutie cat. How are you? Why you're hiding there? I let you go out, you know, because you're still always in your cage. No, don't take. Shh. Shh, no. La, no. You're a cutie. You're a good girl. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Cookie, behave, huh? You go out already, Kalas. Cookie, no. Beth. She want to know. What's your name, huh? You don't have name. I don't know what's her name. It's our neighbor's cat. No, don't touch the flowers. La, no. Don't touch the flowers. Why are you sniffing it? How is it? How is that? What is the look? I don't know why she smells like that. Cookie, behave, okay? Behave. You already got out. Now she become big. Before she's a kitten. I think she's 3 months old, or I'm not sure how old she is, but she quickly become big. This is her cage. The plant is skin. I don't know what happened that. I don't know who did this. Look, there is no leaves. You know who's doing this? Huh? I don't know. I want to call you. What should I call you? Huh? I don't know what's. She want to go out. She want to play. Be careful. Cookie, behave. Okay? You finish, go out. I don't want to. After they will fight. Cutie girl. We call it Bisaya, Minday. Minday, how are you? Minday, how are you? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? I know she go there, that door, because she always play there. Inside, there is a room for like playroom or a guest room for the kids like that. That's why she knows where to go. It's closed, she cannot go there. Come back here because I want to go out. Ming Ming, I want to let her play because she's always in the cage. She's not like doing some number 1 or number 2. She have a potty tray there. Like Why you're hiding there in the bicycle? After it fall down, it will fall down and it will hit you. Don't go there. Oi, why you're there? Come here. Minday, Minmin, Minday. Minday pa more. Minday pa more. Alala, hello, kitty girl. We have bird here. It's a cute bird. Look. So cute. She's noisy. She's a noisy bird. Before it's two, but one is died. So sad. Now she's alone. What? I give you already food. What should we do? I can't take you out. If you are my pet, I will take you out. I can't. I give you already food. The owner is not here, so I'm the one who's taking care of this. Where's your partner? Where's your partner? He's died? So sad. What can we do? Why? What happened to him? He's a boy or girl? I don't know. I can see if it's boy or girl. And this is the top of aquarium. And we have also here. We also have fish, a golden fish. Oh my god. I think there are 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, only 3. Before there's black and they have some colors white, but I think so. It's dye. Oh, you're hiding there, huh? Finding Nemo. Hello, hi. How are you? This is the boat. Inside the aquarium. We can hide there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4, huh? What happened? You want to eat the fish? Here, you can go inside the you can go inside the aquarium. Oh my god, she's crying. Come, let's go. Go now to your bed. It's a bedtime. Kalas, be a good girl. She runs fast. Minmin, you want to go inside? I want to go. I want to let her go inside. No. I want to observe you if you're picking some leaves, huh? Be a good girl. Oh, what happened to my camera? It's getting blur. Kalas, go inside your cage. Yala, go. Go now. Come here. Go in your cage. Be a good girl. Go in your cage. Go in your cage. Yala, be a good girl. Kalas, she cannot go out. Cookie, she can't go out. I took her already. Ming, come. Come back. Come back here. Ming, you want to rescue her? Cookie, you finished already. You go out already. It's time for Minday. Minday, come back. Come back. Minday. Minday, are you listening? Minday, you want to go out again or no? You want to go out again? You want to listen to me? If you didn't listen to me, I will not let you go out again. Come back here, Kalas. Finish. Yeah, Habibi, my cutie girl. She feel relaxed. Huh? You feel relaxed? Oh my god. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Bedtime. You know what time is it now? It's almost 9 o'clock in the night. Let's go. Minday. 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 Ya habibi Minday. Ya habibi Minday, let's go. Let's go to your bed. Let's go. Yalla, come. Come. Oi, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Minday. Oi, what are you doing? One is there is crying. She wants to go out. Minday. Cutie. Cutie. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Come, come. I want to let her come up, and I want her to listen, because I know didn't teach them how to listen to them like that, just to carry them and play and bring it back to the cage. I mean, they're not talking to them that like train how to listen to them, like going up, going down, come here, like that. Just only take and put inside. Yalla, come. Come please. Be a good girl. Yalla, say bye-bye. Good girl. She's not listening to me. Yalla, go to your cage. Go to your cage. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to my viewers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching our video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you'll be notified for my next video. I know who's there in the other door. It's a cookie. Cookie. Say bye-bye.